This what happen when greed take over. You hear me? When you get in your feelings about certain things, you feel like you obligated because you've been around as a side chick for 4 years. Some of the questions they asked this young lady, she couldn't even answer, bruh. Like, no cap, she couldn't even answer. Bro was getting you some bread. You got in your feelings. You was butthurt about certain things, bro. And I'm so happy she did win this case because I have kids. We all have kids. She would have opened up a pool for women. When they get mad, they could extort your kid. Don't have no money, no fame. You know what I'm saying? This is all about the money. This wasn't about justice. This was about money, bro. Real talk, gang.
Dollars from Mr. Diggs, didn't he?
Mr. Diggs offered me $100,000
Ma'am?
to recant my statement.
That is a yes.
That is the
Your Honor,
only.
Maybe be heard at sidebar, please.
She's breaking down. Look, she's breaking down. Like I told you, it's all about the money, bro. She was just trying to extort game and expose him at the same time. You know what I'm saying? But it backfired.
You know that someone on your behalf has demanded $5.5 million.
$5 million because you said that he supposedly put you in a chokehold. Supposedly. Bro, you was trying to extort this man because you knew dirt on him.
From Stefon Diggs, don't you?
I have a workers' comp claim, and
Your Honor?
I've explored all civil options.
Ma'am,
I don't understand.
are you able to answer that question?
No, I'm
Counsel,
not
restate
able
the
to.
question, please.
You know that someone on your behalf has demanded $5.5 million from Stefon Diggs.
Do you know that, Miss Adams?
No. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know how to answer the question. I don't understand.
Extort.
I have no further questions.
Extort.
Would you mind reading the text messages from page 114 to 117?
And I'm running that bitch life.
Mm.
The next text message doesn't say anything. I won't be paying you shit.
And would you mind just saying who's saying what?
Okay, I said the first. I and running that bitch life is what I said. Mr. Diggs said, I won't be paying you shit. Fuck, I look like paying you and paying another chef. Is you high, bitch? Who the fuck give you money for your business?
Hey, so at the end of the day, she felt some type of way. You know what I'm saying? That's all that is, bruh.
Who the fuck gotta give you money for your business? I don't gotta do a motherfucking thing. And you can get whoever you want. You got my address. Tell them to come take the money then. Fuck you talking about. I said bet. Pussy. I said pussy. Show me I'm pussy. Will do. That's it.
In your experience as a personal chef, is it common practice that when chefs get sent away, they get paid for the week that they get sent away?
Yes.
Objection.
Because that's the only job I have.
And I know on cross it came out that you made a public statement where you said, I've never sought money to settle this case. When you said this case, was that referring to the criminal case? Or?
Yes.
Thank you. No further questions.
Go ahead.
That series of text messages that you just read, that was in response to you saying after you were fired by Mr. Diggs, you will be paying me out for the season and the money, I'm sorry, and this is on page 113 of Exhibit 3. You will be paying me out for the season and the money you said you would give me for my business.
Hey. Don't that feel like entitlement? You know what I'm saying? Because I've been around 4 years. You clapped me a couple of times. And I did some things. You know what I'm saying? You owe me this. You better give me this. Or we gonna end up in this courtroom. I'm gonna ruin your life. You feel me?
Wasted my fucking time being here because you got a fucking circus going on, right?
Yes.
So when he said he wouldn't be paying you, he was referring to your demand that after you leave your employment on December 2nd, he nonetheless continued to pay you $2,000 a week for the rest of the New England Patriots football season while you were not working for him, right?
That's not how it goes.
You will be paying me out for the season, right?
I was a contracted employee.
It's a yes or no question, ma'am.
I don't know how to answer that question. Sorry.
And before you said that, if you turn just one page back to page 112, what Mr. Diggs said to you that you were responding to was, I'ma leave you be. Thank you for cooking for me for this season. I appreciate you. Hate it even got to this.
He don't sound like a bad person to me. Real talk. He don't. I'm just saying, comment down below. Do he sound like a bad person? I think, like I said, I think she got enough feelings and got butthurt and want to ruin the game.
That's what you were responding to when you told him he would be paying you out for the season, right?
No, it's a full context of those messages.
Ma'am, was the message that came from Mr. Diggs that preceded your demand that you be paid out for the season, thank you for cooking for me this season, I appreciate you, I'ma leave you be.
Can you say that again?
You can look right down there on page 112. I'ma leave you be.
What was your question?
I'm not finished. Thank you for cooking for me for this season. You can read along and correct me if I get it wrong. I appreciate you. Hate it even got like this. Right?
Crazy.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And you were really hoping that Mr. Diggs would give you some money so you could open your own restaurant, weren't you?
Objection.
Yes. This was all about, at the end of the day, bro, starting up her business. And that's the reason why I'm happy she lost this case. I'm so happy because this is extortion. Because I'm worth 50, 60 million and we did a couple things, but I'm paying you. You doing what you got to do. And on top of that, he already writing them off. You think you finna take me to court? It would take $6 million to fire some $1 million away from me? No.
That was our agreement.
That was what you wanted him to give you, right?
That was an agreement.
Ma'am, is this a contract suit?
Objection.
This is an assault.
That objection is sustained. Witness doesn't have to answer.
Comment down below how y'all feel about this situation, man. This was greed. She felt like she was obligated for him to start her business, and he told her, I'm cool on you. Go do what you want to do. And she's like, I bet. We're going to court. This is extortion, bro.